Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Chrome push notifications not going away in Windows. So these notifications show up briefly in the bottom right corner and quietly disappear after a few seconds. But in this case, they finding that Chrome notifications won't disappear, instead they freeze in a place. And possible reasons of this error include mismatch between Chrome's internal notifications and interference from background processes and extensions. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to restart Windows Explorer. So all you have to do is to press this keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager, or you can do this other options and on taskbar, and then you need to right click and then you need to select Task Manager. And then once you open up this Task Manager, at left side navigation pane, and then you need to select Processes tab, and on right side, and then you need to find this Windows Explorer. Okay, so you can find here, or you can search in the searching address bar. So click and type Windows Explorer. Alright, so you can see now this Windows Explorer. So all you have to do is to restart this Processes tab. So select and then right click, and the next step, then you need to select Restart and wait to complete the restart process. Alright, and then after that, so you're done here at Task Manager, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to clear the browser cache. So all you have to do is to open up on a Chrome browser, and then on top right corner, and then you need to click this three dot. And the next step is scroll down and then select Settings. And on left side navigation pane, and then you need to select Privacy and Security and then click. And on right side, and then scroll down, and under at Privacy and Security, then you can see here this Delete Browsing Data, and then click and then pop up this Delete Browsing Data. So we have two options here, that Basic and then Advanced, and then you need to select a Basic. And then next step, then you can modify this time range. So click this arrow and then select all the time. And then here you need to select this browsing history, focus and cite other data, and then catch images and files. So check this box, and then on right side, then you can see here this delete data, and then click, and we will wait to complete the process. Alright, so once you're done here, and the other solution that we're going to do is to temporarily turn off notifications from Chrome. So all you have to do is to open up again on a Chrome browser, and on top right corner, then you can see here this three dot, and then click and then scroll down and then select Settings. And on left side navigation pane, and then you need to select Privacy and Security and then click. And on right side, and then scroll down, and under at Privacy and Security, and then you need to select Site Settings and then click. So here at Site Settings and under at Permissions, and then you need to select Notifications and then click again. So here at Notifications, under at Default Behavior, and then we need to select this Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications, and then check this circle, and that's it guys. So once you select this Don't Allow Sites to Send Notifications, this already confirmed that you select this as default behavior for notifications. And then we need to close, and then here on Start menu, and then we need to restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Chrome post notifications not going away in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.